Hi guys, and welcome to another video of Minecraft. I'm here again in CandyCraft. Woo! Oh yeah, again it's really laggy, so that just looked really weird. So if you come into last episode, we was making like this beach thing, emo bobby. So I kind of changed that a little. So this is what we've got for today. We have candy canes, Choco dog egg, some flowers, some wood, torches, flour, an axe, a shovel, a mysterious egg, and signs. So first of all, I'm just going to get my signs, and I need to place some stuff down. So this is my armor chest, sort of. I just place some stuff down in here randomly, but it's going to be properly my armor chest. I know that's spelled incorrectly, but I don't care. Chest, 1 minute, if I go like this. That's right, hopefully. Oh, whatever. And I've decided what I'm going to call the place that we was building yesterday. I'm calling it Candyfloss Beachside, I think. I think it's something like Candyfloss Beachside. So yeah, if you look, I added the roof. I put some torches down and I just made it look neater. So I'm just going to put a sign here saying Candyfloss Beach Side. So yeah, today in the video, the only reason why we really needed signs is for that. So yeah, going to keep the mysterious egg in our inventory just for now, unless we build it. So now we're going to go head up into my room, and I just thought I didn't get a pickaxe. Whatever, I'll go get a pickaxe. But we're going to make a room for my dog, because I'm going to make a dog. Now, I did test this out, and so yeah, if you get a Choco dog egg and you tame it with candy canes, then you tame the dog. The dog still looks the same whether it's tamed or not tamed. That's just the way it is. So yeah, if we get shovel, what else are we gonna need? In fact, I'm just gonna get a shovel and I'll go get a pickaxe. And great, it's getting night. Yeah, I still don't know whether we've got that glitch. Okay, no. Because if you remember in the last episode, we had kind of like a glitch where, yeah, it was just glitchy. This staircase is so annoying sometimes. It's just like really hard to get up. And again, sorry about the lag. After last episode, I did, in fact, you know what, why don't I just quickly place these flowers down, because I only got the flowers to do this part. So yeah, last episode, I'm sorry about the lag. After last episode, I went on and it was to prepare for this episode, and like, it was fine. It was fine. It was just normal Minecraft playing, which I kind of think was pretty weird, but whatever. It's probably just because of the recording. So, it's not my fault, people, not my fault. So yeah, there are a few tints I will be doing, like turning all this stone into pudding, but first of all we're going to be making the doghouse. So the doghouse, I'm thinking, not here. I'm not going to put it in here, I'm going to put it like here, right next to the things I need for today chest. Well, I need to go get my pickaxe. I forgot my pickaxe, so okay. Oh wait, 1 minute. Don't need the flowers anymore. I don't need my axe. Yeah, before this episode I got a bunch of wood. It was two stacks and 14, but I turned the rest into torches. So yeah, I hope you guys like these videos, because I'm going to do a whole lot more of them, because this is going to be a proper series. So how big should I do this? It's just a dog, though a dog needs space. Yeah, I think that'll be big enough. Yeah, that'll be the biggest it will get. Okay, so why is it I have 2 here? Just 2. I might put some torches in here just because it's quite dark and I don't like dark things. It's not my style. Not my style, babe. If you have any improvements for like last episode, like if you thought that it was the most stupidest episode ever, say. If you think that I should do it a bit more friendly, or if you think if you need or if you think that if you have any suggestions, like I just really can't wait to get this whole thing done. I think it will be a real blast. So yeah, hopefully this won't be as long as the last episode, but it might be pretty long, but whatever. I am still doing this on the same day. I'll probably be doing these probably like every other week, probably like weekly, every other week. I don't know how. I'm probably not going to have a set schedule for them. It's just, yeah. No, not there. I'm sorry, Wood, you're going to have to go. Because that's the wrong place. The wrong place, Mama. How far out should I do it? I've already said that. No, I haven't. Have I? So now we have a roof. And okay, so 1 minute. Let's see. Ugh, this is so slow. If you guys think that I should really try and make it faster, then go on, complain about the fact that it's slow. I've already said that I don't really mind having it like this. I can cope with it. It just depends whether you guys really think that I need to change it. It's probably just going to be the outskirts of it. This is probably how big it's going to be. Except for yeah. This is going to be a series probably based on what I'm doing right now. Building. Block after block, block after block. The chamber sings, block after block. Yeah. I'm really starting to get bored of this, but I want a dog. I want my Choco dog. I actually thought that they were caramel dogs because I'd watched something about them being, yeah, that thing I just said. But apparently they're not. This is really slow. Why is my uncle coming down? Dunno. As long as he doesn't come up to me, I don't care. And doesn't make too much of a racket.
So,
Hi, Jacob.
you doing the video?
Yes, and you're interrupting.
Thought I was.
Shoo. Sorry. It's my uncle. The Blue Jay. The Blue Jay is my uncle. To be honest, I like building. I don't like watching people mine. Which is why, yeah, I'm not going to mine in this. You're not going to watch me mine because I will be bored to death. I have to say I will. It's truth, truth, truth. Because I hate mining. I think mining is the most boring thing ever. As in, how come people if I watch somebody and they do mining, I just skip it. I skip it because I hate it. Because mining is boring. I don't like doing it. I don't like watching people do it. I like people doing it for me. But yeah, it's just so boring. So, if you guys actually like mining, don't tell me in the comments. If you want to tease me, tell me in the comments. Yeah, I'm really enjoying doing these. there's not really much for me to say. Wood. I keep on telling you, Wood. You don't place there, and you keep on you're in the wrong place. Wood these days. So stubborn. Always wanting to get out onto reach. Doesn't want to be in the inventory anymore. Hates it. Hates inventory. Thinks it's the worst thing in the world. There are worse things than being in somebody's inventory. Like stuff. Yeah. Basically, if there's anything you'd like to say to me, just tell me. As in, this is going to be something like that I'm doing by myself, and I don't really want anybody else doing it with me. Because when I did like stuff with people, it is nice having the help, but you know, like, they do stuff you don't want them to. They set places on fire. Hint, hint, hint. Blue Jay. They don't make houses. Hint, hint. Think about 2014. She might be good at redstone, but woman, finish your house. It's just a house. Are you allergic to them? Yeah, because she really didn't build her house. She took ages. As in, like, it did look nice. The bits that she'd done did look nice, but come on, you need to build a house and finish it. Really, all I need to do in this is, yeah, the storage room, dog kennel, and a hall, really? Because you can't sleep. In some versions of CandyCraft, you can't, it blows up, you blow up. In some other versions of CandyCraft, well, in this version of CandyCraft, nothing happened. Yeah, just like nothing. So now I'm going to go, and this is the exciting part. I'm going to go make a door. Why am I in there? But yeah. I wonder whether you can make different doors. Yeah, I'm still kind of a newbie to this, as in I've had to try work things out by myself, because I did try get the wiki didn't work. For some unknown reason. Oh, I missed the roof. Stupid me. So yeah, I'll get the roof done, then we'll get to the exciting part. Because I'm not gonna let Paul, I don't know, if it's a boy, then it'll be, then it'll be Coco. If it's a girl, it'll be Agatha, because of a book I'm reading called, The School of Good and Evil. The person that everybody in the town said would be the witch is actually the princess, and that's Agatha. And then you've got the person that nobody said that she'd be the princess, but it's the other person who always wanted to be a princess and is more likely to be the princess, was The Witch. It was weird though. I'm still reading it, but it's very interesting. Very interesting. And so, yeah. This is where the exciting parts come in. Now, we say hello. So, get these out, inventory. Okay, and then if you get your candy canes, go 1. See? I'm just going to keep on, and look, and then you can just, you get to have a whole stack of them, because I'm nice. See, look. I will make, 1 minute, I'm going to go make a chest for them, to keep the other stack of candy canes. If you hear stuff in the background, it's not me. It's Blue Jay. Blue Jay will probably try to do stuff to me. And now I need to have an inspection. Boy or girl? So now, are you a Coco? Are you a Coco Loco? Or, so 1 minute, if I just put just there. Oh, who have you, just please move. Now you are a girl, so you're Agatha. Hello, Agatha. 1 minute. Ugh. Oh, that just reminds me of something I can do now. So it's candy cane. Candy cane chest. Done. I will now, and it's Agatha. Wait 1 minute, Agatha. The dog. Agatha, the dog. Agatha the dog, candy cane. Hi, Agatha. And what was I going to get? Oh yeah, I'm going to move my candy cane stuff into that chest, because why not? Candy canes. So I'm going to move all this in. Candy cane walls and my candy cane blocks. So yeah, please leave a like if you watch it. If you want to comment. Do whatever you want. Just say whatever you want. Diss me, say my things are rubbish. As I say, don't mind at all. Not one bit do I care about what you think of my videos. They're my videos anyway. What was I going to do? Oh, yeah. I'm going to put a sign saying dog kennel. And now the beast comes. Doggy. In case I get any other dogs. Ken L. Done. The doggy kennel. Agatha, stay in there. So, now what do we need to do? Oh yes. Now we're going to we're going to make a flower house for this mysterious egg. Except for maybe not. Dunno. Depends whether I feel like it. I might decide no. I may feel like I could do the flowering, but I don't know. Maybe not. If you look, I have a nice big space here, so I'm going to use this big space to do it. Because I don't know, you never know how big. It's going to be 10 long, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10.
Hello.
And he's back. What do you want? You've just come to bother me, haven't you? So yeah, it's going to be 10 long, probably like 5 high and 5 the other way. So 3, 4, 5. That should be plenty of space, shouldn't it? Yeah, I've probably like underestimated how big this thing will be, but I made it pretty big. I mean, so 3, 4. We're just gonna do 4. And don't worry, I'm not going to run out of this stuff because I've got plenty. I've got another stack, and how much? Oh, wrong button. A stack and 4. Got loads left, don't you worry. So yeah, I wonder what it's going to be. I honestly have no idea what it's going to be. Because it could be anything. It could be a dinosaur. I don't know. I think it's going to be a dinosaur. I don't think it's going to be a dinosaur, but it's going to be something extreme like that. Now I've gotten this stack. I might run out of flour. This is all the flour I've got left. Stack. If we do, I can just make more space and just run it out a bit. $36 left. Imagine if we needed 38, because then I could just need 2 for the door, because we need a door. Every good place needs a door. I made this Pez stuff like by myself, because I know I said that I have cheats. I do have cheats. To even get this Pez, I use cheats, but it's fine. But I did make this stuff by myself. I did create like all the stuff that I built by myself, and it's just the resources that I did cheat with a little. Because like I'm new to this stuff, and I would have used the wiki. I would have used the wiki a lot. I would have used the wiki for many things, but yeah. Really, I just dived straight into it, and I didn't really think about stuff. I didn't really think about stuff that I would need, and because really what they're saying is you should come with your own stuff. Get our stuff then, and then you can and then mine our stuff with your stuff, because then everything will be alright. So I now have a house made out of flour. So it's not going to be a house. So it's completely dark in here. If you look, really dark. I'm going to put the torches up. You know what, guys? I actually think that we're going to see what the mysterious egg is. And he's going to come back down. Again. But yeah, so now I'm just going to go. How much wood do I have left? Oh, I've got plenty. I'm just going to make. Hey. Stop it, Jacob.
Sorry.
It's not funny.
It wasn't supposed to be funny. I was hugging you.
No, you were strangling me.
Sorry, I wasn't meant to be strangling you. I was supposed to be hugging you.
Trying to do a video here.
I know. You want to eat soon?
Shush.
I'm taking that as a yes.
No, actually.
Well, I'm cooking food regardless, so if you can eat it, that'd be good. But I
Alright.
really don't think you'd be able to eat.
I'm just not particularly hungry. Okay. Sorry. He knows I'm still on the video. So, this is the big moment that we let the mysterious egg out. Ye in. 1 minute. We close the door. And what do you do? What do you do with the mysterious egg? Should you put it into a crafting table, maybe? What happens if you put a mysterious egg into the crafting table? Do you have to like cover it with torches to make it like an incubator? No? What do you do? My precious egg. You're not doing anything with it, really. I can't place it. And you can't break, and it's not like you go like that and anything happens. Yeah. Oh. Well, I'll leave it there. I'll just leave it in there. Maybe it's like an incubator? Whatever it is, I don't know what you do with it now. Anyway. Time set. Do I have the glitch? No, yes so. Well, that was a waste. Well, I'll go end the video now, and we'll carry on with that pudding thing that I was telling you about yesterday. Last video. I'll do that thing, like making all this pudding next video. So, in the meanwhile, well, bye! Oh, right, it doesn't work here. It's because I'm closed.